In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay calendars in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever juggled multiple schedules and wished you could see them in one clean view, this walkthrough will make that easy and stress-free. First, open Outlook and switch to the calendar view. You can do this from the navigation bar at the bottom or side, depending on your layout. Once you're in Calendar, look to the left pane under My Calendars. This is where all your available calendars are listed, such as work, personal, shared, or room calendars. Check the boxes for the calendars you want to view together. As soon as you select more than one, Outlook displays them side by side by default. You'll see each calendar in its own column so you can compare them at a glance. This is helpful, but sometimes stacking them into a single grid is even clearer. To overlay the calendars, move to the top of the calendar area and find the calendar tabs. Each calendar you selected has a tab. On one of those tabs, you'll see a small arrow. Click that arrow. The arrow points to the right or left, indicating the direction in which the calendar will overlay. After you click, Outlook combines the calendars into